Okay, so here we are again. Sorry about that. My screencast recorder only does 15 minutes worth of a presentation, so you're going to have two today. So again, we're at our last heading card in 10 years. In our text box here, we're going to write, in 10 years, I see myself, and then we're going to add an image that represents whatever you said there. So whatever image that you want. Once you're finished and you have all this, this is just like when we work in Excel or Word online, it automatically saves just as long as you're logged in. Now the problem with using our iPads at home is that sometimes we have to log in and we don't realize it. So if something is not working correctly, go ahead and go to Safari and open up your browser, and it might have you authenticate where you have to put in your login credentials, and that will probably most likely fix the problem. So anyway, once you're here and you've got everything done, you can click play. And mine says working there because this is my working version. I do have a finished version that I'm going to show you later. And ours is a vertical one. And if you scroll down, you can see all of the information that you put in. So that's all for us today. This is not due today on Wednesday. This is going to be due tomorrow on Thursday. And then on Thursday, I will show you how to do some more formatting, and we can finalize this and be finished with our presentation by the end of this week. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Remember that you can always ask me questions either in our Ask a Question forum, or you can message me. I am always here between 9 and 11 and 5 to 6 at night. So you can ask a question anytime, but during those hours, 9 to 11 a.m., I should have said, and 5 to 6 p.m., you will get an answer more quickly because I am here working, so I'll see those questions popping up. But feel free to ask a question anytime. Have fun making your sway, and I'll check in again tomorrow.